Hi, this is Narayan from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss about using Python interpreter as a calculator for numbers. This is the continuation for part 1, Python introduction using Visual Studio. Please watch part 1 before going to this video. We will discuss these concepts using Visual Studio, launch Visual Studio and create Python application. Here we are going to discuss about concepts using interactive window. Go to tools, Python, and here we have Python interactive window. We can write the code in Visual Studio using two ways. One is Python interactive window, another one is this window. Go to tools, Python interactive window, and here this window is open. In this window, here we have different Python environments like Python 3.6 64-bit, Python 3.7 32-bit. So I am using Python 3.6 64-bit. Input and output are distinguished by presence or absence of prompt symbol. Here we will write 2 plus 3, enter, and I am getting output as 5. So here before this expression we have prompt symbol. So this is input, and here we have absence of prompt symbol, this is output. Here this interactive window acts as a calculator. So we are adding 2 plus 3, 5. 50 minus 5 into 6 equal to 20. Here first it will calculate this one. In this expression we have two operators, minus and multiplication. So multiplication is more precedence than minus. So first it will calculate 5 into 6 30, then 50 minus 30 will get 20. 50 minus 5 into 6 divided by 4. Here so parents have more precedence than division, enter, we are getting 5.0. 5 into 6 30, 50 minus 30 20, 20 by 4 we are getting 5.0. If you use division operator in Python, we will get float value. 20 by 4 we are getting float value as 5.0. 8 divided by 5, enter, and we are getting as 1.6 as float value. If you don't want to float value, if you want to get only integer value, then we need to use float division. So symbol for float division is 8 to /5, enter, and here we are getting output as 1. So this is float division. If you want to get a remainder, then 10 modulus 5 will get remainder as 0. 5 modulus 2 and will get output as 1. If you want to do power of the number, then we need to use 2 stars 5 star star 2, and here we will get 5 square is equal to 25. For example, 2 star star 7, enter, and we will get output as 128. So this is what is the meaning of this one is 2 power 7. If you want to assign any value to the variable, then we need to use equal sign. For example, width equal to 10, enter, and we are getting prompt window. That means we need to give input value. Height equal to 20, enter, then input width into height, enter. Here we are getting output as 200. If we call variable without any assignment, then we will get error. For example, age, and enter, and here we are getting out error as name error, name age is not defined. Age equal to 10, then print age, enter, and we are getting output as 10. 4 into 3.75 minus 1. In this expression we are using operators multiplication and subtraction, but here operands are integer and float. If you multiply any integer and float, we will get float value, enter. 4 into 3.7 minus 1 will get 14. We will discuss one more example. For example, tax percentage equal to 12.5 divided by 100, price equal to 101. Now if we need to calculate tax amount, tax into price, enter. Here tax amount 12.625. Now we need to add this tax amount to price. So here we have one operator. So if you want to add this tax amount to price, price plus underscore. If you use underscore here, then so this underscore will get last expression output and that output added to price. Click enter. We are getting output as 113.625. So here price is 101 and taxation price is equal to 12.625. 101 plus 12.625, we are getting 113.625. If you want to round off this value, then we need to use a round method, round. So this is the last expression output. So we need to use underscore, comma. So how many values we need to round off? So I am providing as 2, enter. So here I am getting 113.62. Here these two values are round off and here getting as 62. We can use complex numbers in interactive window. For example, so we have complex numbers like 1 plus 2j multiplied by 1 plus 2j and enter. We are getting output as minus 3 plus 4j. We will calculate how we get this output. 1 plus 2j into 1 plus 2j, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 2j, 2j plus 2j into 1, 2j plus 2 2j 4 and j into j, j square, 4j square, 1 plus 2j plus 2j, 4j plus here 4j square. Here for j square means j square is equal to minus 1. That means minus 1 into 4, minus 4, minus 4. So output is 1 minus 4, minus 3 plus 4j. And we are getting output as minus 3 plus 4j and this is the output. If you want to add two values, plus enter, and we are getting output as 2 plus 4j, 1 plus 1 2 and 2j plus 2j 4j. I am getting output as 2 plus 4j. If you want to clear this screen, so here we have clear screen. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.